Welcome to Pydle Day 79. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. It's similar to games like Wordle or Chordle with a coding twist. So you've got a picture on the right and you need to recreate that by writing your Pydle code. So today's Pydle is a spade. So see if you can solve that. As usual, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle. So follow along. So we've got a yellow key. Apart from the kind of the bottom pixel, it's symmetrical. So I think we're going to benefit from Cartesian coordinates for the x. So for y in range 5, we no need to use Cartesian coordinates for y. For x in range -2, 3. Okay, so let's build up the key in steps. So let's do these sides at the top. That is going to be where absolute value of x equals 1 and y less than 3. Pydle x plus 2 to convert back to Pydle coordinates, y and yellow. Okay, so that's the sides. Now at the center bit, it's all yellow except for 1 pixel, so we can specify that as follows. So we need an OR x equals 0 and y not equals 1. So we're filling in all the yellow pixels except where y equals 1. Okay, and the final kind of lone pixel, we're just going to specify a tuple. X comma y equals 1 comma 4. So, oopsie, made a mistake there. It should be an OR. Okay, and the remainder of the pixels should be white. Okay, that was a nice, fun one to do. Quite simple. So I hope you managed to solve that yesterday and have a go at today's Pydle. And I'll see you again tomorrow.